Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating another page in my journal for Junk Journal July. If you didn't see the previous video, I will link that below for you. I realise we are no longer in July, however I did fall behind with the journal challenge and that's okay. I'm still going to continue with it and I'll finish it in my own time. So today I'm doing day 14 of Junk Journal July and the prompt is nature. I thought this prompt would be very easy, but I found it really difficult. I think I had so many ideas and so many pieces I could include on the page, I just became really indecisive on everything. So here I have some playing cards and a postcard, and I'm just deciding which one to include on the page. I absolutely loved the postcard, but it took over the whole page and I decided it would be better suited elsewhere. I do choose one of the playing cards and went with the one that was a little brighter. I'm going to do some collage on these pages. To start with, I'm adding some tissue paper down the centre of both pages. I've been using tissue paper a lot in my journal and I love how it looks. I also add a little bit of floral washi tape. I've moved over to the left-hand page and I have this piece of vintage book paper that I would like to include, but it's a bit too big for the page, so I'm trimming it down to fit. I was going to stick it straight down on the page, but when I turned it over, I really liked the other side too, and I didn't want to lose the image. At this point I'm thinking maybe I'll create a flip out page, but whilst I'm deciding on that, I move back over to the other page and start gluing some of the papers down. I finally decided to use this book paper as a flip out page, and I'm using my ruler to create a crease in the page which will act as the hinge. I found this label piece that I thought I might add something to, but I come back to it later and I do a little bit of collage on the page first. I'm using my glue stick here, and once I've glued down the flip out page, I add a little washi tape to keep it in place. To complete the collage on this page, I'm adding this floral paper bag scrap. I finally decide to glue down the playing card. Now I'm just playing around with a few bits and pieces and seeing what I might like to include on the pages. This is one of my favourite MT washi tapes, and I just add a little bit to this page. Next I'm going to add some stickers. This is a new pack I've recently bought. They are rub-ons or print-on stickers, and they are from the brand Moo. I also glue down this nature word, which came from a magazine, but I don't remember which one. Moving back to the flip out page, I decided to add some pressed leaves to this label piece. The leaves came from a junk journal kit by Ms. Paper Lover Designs on Etsy. I won a giveaway of hers a little while ago, and I'm so happy I've managed to use them. I think they fit really well on this page, and it feels really nice to include a real piece of nature in my journal for this prompt. I'm just using some wet PVA glue to stick them down. I also add a little bit of washi tape to the stems to keep them in place. I also add a couple of little staples with my Tim Holtz tiny attacher, just for further reinforcement. I'm using my glue stick on the back of the label, and then I staple it in place as well to make sure it will stay stuck down. I add a scrap piece of tissue paper and then add my word sticker on top, and I like adding one of these to each page. It was feeling a little empty here, so I found a label sticker and wrote a quote on it off camera, and it just fills this space really nicely. I also add a couple more rub-on stickers. I use my number stamps to stamp 14 down on the page. You can't see it very clearly, but that's fine. The last thing I do on these pages is to add some detail with my white acrylograph pen. It's from the brand Archer and Olive. And this is the finished page. I'm really happy with it, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this page come together today. I think it turned out great despite all of my indecisiveness. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.